onda, plebes?
We're here with the drip. With my drip. So we're flexing.
Today we're gonna change the amp. Vamos a cambiar el amplificador en la troca. Porque ya sé que todos me dijeron que quieren que la cambie. So I'm gonna change the amp real quick. Since you guys, I know you guys said change that fucking amp porque no sirve. I think I gotta change the wires also. So I got these new power wires and ground wires for the amp. That way it gets more power. Pero yay. Gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I gotta change the wire. I'm putting 4 gauge wire now. The one I have is, I think it's 6 gauge or 8 gauge. ¿Quién sabe?
I don't know anything about system.
You don't know nothing about system. Pero acá está. Cayó poquita nieve. It's freaking cold right now. Yeah. What gauge is this? It looks like 6. Is there even such thing as 6 gauge? And the other wire, the one I bought, it's in the back of the truck. In the bed. Yeah, güey. Pinche frío. Oh, hell yeah, that shit's way bigger. Yep. So I think that's 6 gauge. Yeah, well, I'm gonna go with 4 gauge. But yeah, there's my stuck ass 5.9. I'm not fast, but engine swap coming soon. Stay tuned. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this one off. I'm gonna just take this off real quick. Let's run inside through the truck to where the amp is. So I'm gonna just take this off, run the new wire through, get it over there, and then just, you know, get it connected. It should be good. Pause, break. Orale, so I put the fuse on there. It was a little bitch, I know. I should have probably had one of those, like, the low C's. Like how I have in the old one, like these. But I didn't have any, so así no lo puse. Now here's the fuse. Now what you gotta do is just connect this end, and then the rest of this wire goes to where the amp is. So I'm gonna just run it through real quick. This hole. I already have a hole in there, so.
You ready?
Yep.
Do you see it?
I got it.
Alright.
I bet. Okay, that's good for now. Aquí está. I went with Skar Audio again, because the price wasn't that bad. Y luego pues también the subs are already Skar Audio. And this is a pretty solid ass amp. It's very at 1500 watts at 1 ohm. It goes a little higher than that también. Aquí tiene su little bass knob y todo. But I don't even need it because I got the epicenter. But yay, here it is. Now how should I put it in the truck? Put it in the back of the bed. Put it in the bed. Oh yeah, let's go see.
Put it in the middle? Oh no, that's for yours. I don't know.
You think I should put it in the middle?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
You're disconnecting it?
Yeah, the old one. My crusty ass crunch got roasted.
Wait, which
Everybody's
Oh
on
yeah, this one.
the crunch. Dude, I was looking at some of their like dyno tests like online. Like where they actually test them legit. Nah, it was ass.
Really?
Trash, yeah. It was like one of the
It says
worst ones.
GTR though.
Yeah, wait, it gave me like 500 horsepower.
Alright, let's put
Ahora,
the.
pues.
Are you gonna give me that one?
Yeah, this one's for your setup. Ahorita voy a install it. Okay. Well, I just wanted it to see how I would put it. So, ya de aquí, we got the wire, man. I'm gonna just put it under the carpet. I already have a hole on it. Cause I already done this shit so many times.
Alright.
Put it right here. Run it through under here.
Damn, I can't see.
No. Put
Can't
the
see
flash on
shit.
there. Put the flash.
I'll just light it with my phone.
Damn, we're gonna have a lot of wire left over, which is better. For yours, probably. Throwing by some wires, like this, the little C for the wire. Órale, so the RCA ya están. Está mi remote wire. Ahí está, si mero, usame todo, fuck it. A ver. Remote ya está. Oh, y lo
Move your
tengo
hand.
en wire. So ahí está remote, ya está remote. This is one, the power wires to the epicenter. Este is ground, este is... I could put this one in the remote también. Which is what I'm gonna do.
Alright, we'll cut this until you're done because it's taking forever.
Can I record the sub? I mean, show my mirror. Ahí está mi pinche mirror. That shit's sick. It's a dash cam también, mira. Ah, perro.
So when you get crashed,
Se la van a pelar. Look, it's a reverse camera también. Ah, shit. Está chingón.
Then you can see my truck right there. Look at that sick ass truck.
Yeah, you can see.
Alright, let's turn it on. Oh, it's all blurry.
What song should I put? Chalino, Chacale.
Hold up, it's all blurry.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Clean your lens away. With your fingerprints. Dumbass con tu sweater.
Doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
Shut
The
up,
fingerprints
shut
are-
up, shut up.
Okay, what song should I put? Wait. Go zoomed in.
Still
Huh?
blurry. Hold up.
Yeah, blue lights on over there. También acá. Let's see if it burns.
You can barely see your subs. It's all black.
Really?
Oh, you can see it.
Sick ass head. But can you hear the bass? Taking all the power away, no mama.
I know the trick's flick.
That shit buzz. ¿Cuál otra rola? Fuck, wait. I'm gonna need a new alternator because that's why it flickers. It's sticking on the juice. Ni mo.
You wanted a bump.
Pero it bumps. But ahí está el video. They're gonna all roast me, being like, you did it wrong. Me vale dick. But no, pero if you guys have any tips, like legit, like I don't mind, let me know. Like how I could make it sound better, or how do I fix the flickering. I'm pretty sure it's just an alternator. I need a better alternator and a better battery. But yay. Thanks for all the support, guys. You wanna see here, should I show them the stickers?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something. It's in the works. Clean as fuck. Let me know if you guys want some stickers made or whatever.
That looks sick.
But look that ass. probably we're gonna go to what is it called? October Truck Madness. So if you guys see us there,
Say what's up.
say what's up.